Hello guys, and welcome back to Nigerian news and entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you today. The headline says lady gives birth to a lizard during lockdown. A yet to be identified lady reportedly gave birth to a lizard at Omoku Market, Rivers State. According to several reports online, the pregnant woman went into labor in the market and gave birth to a lizard after 2 years of pregnancy. A Facebook user identified as Festus Emeka shared the photo and wrote, "This is life in Omoku Market. A woman delivered lizard. People are wicked in this world." Other media users have reacted to the news. Hamefuna Ijeoma Darlington wrote, "Speechless, God forbid, a woman after 2 years of pregnancy giving birth to a lizard in Market Omoku. It was a shock to me." Jenny Blink wrote, "What a tragedy to a woman with 2 years pregnancy finally deliver a live lizard in Omoku Market today." Guys, these are the pictures. See what is going down right now in Port Harcourt, Omoku Market. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.